If you think Work IQ in Copilot Studio gives your agent access to your emails or Teams chats, think again. Here's what Microsoft really built. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm introducing a brand new feature that recently appeared inside Copilot Studio, something called Work IQ. If you've seen a new toggle labeled Work IQ or Premium Search inside your agent settings, you might be wondering what this actually does. I'll explain what Work IQ is, how to enable it, and the limitations. You should know. To enable it, click on your agent settings. Then, from the Generative AI section, scroll down all the way to the Search section. Under the Search settings, you'll see a new premium option called Turn on Work IQ. By default, this setting is already enabled. This feature can provide improved search performance for Microsoft 365 Copilot tenants. However, availability may vary depending on the data source. According to Microsoft, Work IQ is an intelligence layer used by Microsoft 365 Copilot, the one inside Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, to understand your work context like emails, Teams messages, meetings, and documents. Here is the detailed Microsoft documentation. For this feature, you can refer to it for a deeper understanding. Now let's break this down technically. What exactly happens when you turn Work IQ on, and how the behavior changes if you don't enable it. Most people think, if I switch this on, my agent can now read my Outlook emails or Teams chats using Work IQ. But that's not true. One immediate change you'll notice is in the knowledge configuration. If your agent is configured with Work IQ enabled, the SharePoint connection will be labeled as SharePoint, powered by Work IQ. This label will not appear if Work IQ is disabled. In this agent, Work IQ is disabled. As a result, the SharePoint knowledge connection will not show. SharePoint, powered by Work IQ. Instead, it will simply be labeled as SharePoint. This is the main technical difference you'll notice with a new Work IQ feature. You might think that enabling Work IQ in Copilot Studio lets your agent pull data from Teams, Outlook, or other Microsoft 365 apps. But that's not true. Microsoft is clear in their documentation. Work IQ is a CLI MCP feature for AI assistants, not for Copilot Studio. Their GitHub docs confirm that the Work IQ server connects AI assistants to Microsoft 365 data. Copilot Studio is not part of this. Work IQ is designed to power Copilot inside Word, Outlook, and Teams, not your Copilot Studio agents. So even if you turn on the toggle, your agent cannot read Outlook emails, access Teams chats, check your calendar, pull your meeting history, analyze your mailbox. This is strictly a Microsoft 365 Copilot capability, not Copilot Studio agents. If you turn on Work IQ in your agent and try to pull emails or Teams chats, don't panic, it won't work. That's not a configuration issue. It's just how the feature works. So why is Work IQ even in Copilot Studio? The benefit is that it improves your agent's search experience within SharePoint. For instance, if you ask your agent for all details about the Q4 sales strategy, it can give a more precise and comprehensive answer from your SharePoint documents. Let me demonstrate this practically. I have an email about the Phoenix migration project. I'll ask my Copilot Studio agent, which has Work IQ enabled and is deployed in both Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channels. For information about this project, as you'll see, the agent will not be able to answer from either channel. I asked my Copilot Studio agent in the Microsoft 365 Copilot channel to summarize the Phoenix migration project email. As expected, the agent could not find the content and returned no information about the Phoenix migration project email was found in the available search results. Next, I asked the same question in Microsoft Teams using the same agent. Just like before, the agent couldn't retrieve any information and gave the same response. No information about the Phoenix migration project email was found in the available search results. This clearly demonstrates that Work IQ in Copilot Studio cannot access emails or Teams chats. Microsoft has a detailed technical guide for Work IQ CLI, covering how it works, the prerequisites, and all its capabilities. I strongly recommend checking out this documentation to get the full picture. So to summarize, the Work IQ toggle in Copilot Studio does not give your agent access to your emails or Teams chats. Microsoft only supports Work IQ through their CLI and MCP server, not through Copilot Studio. Inside Copilot Studio, the toggle only improves search performance for your connected SharePoint knowledge sources. So if you tested email or Teams chat retrieval and it didn't work, that's not your fault. It's simply a product limitation documented by Microsoft. Before we finish, I tried the same query in the Copilot Studio test mode. Once again, the agent was unable to retrieve any information from the Phoenix Migration Project email. All right, that's everything you need to know about Work IQ inside Copilot Studio. I hope this saves you hours of testing and research. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on Copilot Studio and the Power Platform. Also, check out the Copilot Studio Masterclass playlist at the end of the screen, and take your skills in Copilot Studio agent development to the next level. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.